Welcome to LoadMaster. Today we will learn how to define a box loading and the goods in same order not to split into multiple containers as far as possible. Let's have a case study. Here is the cargo data and the loading requirements. The goods can only be placed at the height is vertical to the ground. The inner size of the box is 116 multiply 116 multiply 116 centimeters. Try not to separate goods with the same order number. According to the current loading requirements, the test type loading box multi-cargos should be selected. Now we enter the basic information page. The items in this page is optional. The users can enter the order number, PO number, etc. for later check. Then we come to next stage, add cargo. First, we should click add cargo and get Excel template. We can look that the template is downloaded here. After finishing, we open it. First, we should click enable editing and save this template into a certain position in your computer for later use. Here is a template description. You should read it carefully before filling the template. After that, you can delete or remove it. First, we should copy the name, quantity, length, width, and height of the cargo into the template. The information of order number can be copied to the description column. Pay attention to the margin of size unit. The weight here refers to the gross weight of a single carton or box of goods. If the cargo is too light, the weight can be ignored and not filled in, and the system will default the weight value to 1. Then we define the load orientations of the goods. For it is required that the goods can only be placed at the height is vertical to the ground, that is, only stand and stand rotate are allowed. So we should fill in 0 under the allow column of other 4 orientations. 0 means not allow such orientation. Leave it blank or fill in 1 means allow this orientation. Finally, we should define the loading attributes. For the goods of the same order should not be split as much as possible. The goods of the same order need to be set to the same group, and the goods of different orders should be set to different groups. The group name can be numbers, Chinese characters, letters, etc. In this case, the order number is used to define the group name. For there are no other requirements, we do not need to set other parameters, leaving them as a default value. Save and close the template when finishing. The details of other parameters can be found in this guidance documentation. Now we're back to the cargo interface and click Add Cargo, Import from Excel. In this dialog box, we should find the filled-in template and double-click it. You can see that all the information of cargo is imported into this task. And then we come to next stage, Add Container. Click Add Container and click carton. Then we should add the information of this carton. Set the inner size of this carton. Now we come to next stage, set loading rules. In this case, we should check the minimize the number of containers which load cargoes from the same group. Finally, click Optimize and to calculate. In the list on the left, we can see that these goods are loaded by using 3 boxes. In the middle is the 3-dimensional loading picture, and on the right side of the picture is the statistics of the goods loaded in the container. Click the container name respectively. We can see from the 3-dimensional diagram or statistic tables of each carton that the goods of the same order are packed in the same container and not divided into multiple containers, which fully meet the loading requirements. After the scheme audit is completed, We can click Share Task to get the on-site loading by mobile platforms and click Generate Loading Report to download the tables we need to make the packing list and custom declaration. More details, please refer to the guidance documentation. Thanks for watching. See you next time.